we'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's rear track bar mount bracket for Jeep's TJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Remove the track bar bolt using a 16mm and 18mm socket. Remove the track bar from the bracket and push it down and out of the way. Mark around all edges of the track bar bracket. This will be your cut line and also used as a reference point for later. Step 4. Begin cutting away the track bar bracket as close to the frame rails as possible. Step 5. Hold the new bracket up to the frame rail in line with the orientation lines previously marked. Ensure it fits flush with the frame rail. Step 6. Once the part has been fitted, prepare your weld zones by clearing away any rust or debris, revealing bare metal. Tack weld the bracket into place and test fit the track bar bracket to make sure the position of the bracket is correct before continuing. Step 7. Following proper welding procedures, begin welding the part onto the frame rails. 100% weld around all edges. Step 8. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Step 9. Begin reassembling your vehicle, starting with reinstalling your track bar into the new bracket with a 16mm and 18mm socket. Reinstall your gas tank, cords, and tubes. Reinstall your tires and wheels. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.